smile. Alright, so we're back. So we're back. You got the camera rolling. Huh? And basically we'll give you a check in about 5 minutes. Or a little less than that.
You know, my phone's not charged very much. It's probably going to go dead.
How much?
About that much.
We just gotta get a little bit of video. And then I'll upload it.
You're just taking video of the parking lot?
No, it's called dash cam view. People like to see dash cam when
I made her giggle, laugh, smile, giggle.
as you can see.
Everything. She's so in the mood now because of me.
You're a good giggler.
She's
Radar check time. It's about 1 minute 30 seconds. We're gonna not radar check, but oh my gosh, we see what's managed to develop this giant thing up here. As you can see, I can't tell how many knots that is, but yeah. So check it back. Check it back. In with the car. And if you are wondering, yes, the website will be up soon. The official MS Chasers. I can't tell if that is a possible shelf cloud over on the, if you guys are seeing this video, up on the left, or not, yeah, the left, the top left corner. I can't tell what that is. Possibly a new thunderstorm coming in.
Hi guys.
So I can't tell. But
Never.
rain rate is still getting some rain. A little bit of a like streak gonna go down the screen soon.
Don't hit the doors. Don't hit the doors.
We don't want the camera to call or fall any way too.
You thought I could open the door, nothing else.
Oh, there guys, yep. Now we're just gonna do this view. Well, yeah, we're storm chasing and can I sit up here for the